crumbling. There's nothing there. Look at it. Alright, that one looked alright.
Yeah,
that was half decent. Alright, so we're back up on North Shore. We're gonna get into the Ehukai Sandbar, try and catch a couple waves. Josh thinks it's gonna be good, but it's not.
Being very negative.
I don't care, Josh. It's not gonna be fun.
It's hard to turn this around.
But I'm gonna slap the GoPro on and see what I can get. So hope you guys enjoy it. Josh, we just found this on top of my car. It's probably been there for a couple days. You gonna eat it?
Just stuff it.
Eat it.
Ow. This hurts a lot.
Well, maybe if you're a better board rider, this wouldn't happen.
Mr. Hit Reef on a 2.5 day at half point.
Okay, mine's...
It's fine.
Mine's just bad. I can crack my head and it dry.
At least mine's not falling apart.
I know, I feel like
dents.
science. Like, what's going on, science?
No,
like,
it's Josh. It's Josh. That's what the problem is. Alright, so...
Yeah, how was it, Derek?
Shut up, Josh. It was a little more fun than I was expecting.
Ah!
I don't know...
Justice!
I don't know how the clips turned out yet, because we just got out of the water, but hopefully
I cut him off because it said it was going to be shitty. So I made sure to cut him off a couple.
So hopefully the clips turned out good and you guys enjoyed it. Oh my god, I can't even talk. For anyone...
You're so ecstatic about your great session.
For anyone interested in the camera settings, I was using the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I had it set to 4K, 60 frames a second, with the hyper smooth stabilization. So anyone interested in getting the GoPro Hero 7, you can get a little idea of how the stabilization is. So where are we going now?
I'm indecent.
We're going Pounders. Yeah, we're gonna check another spot and then drive down the east side of the island and just, I don't know, see what we can see. It's a nice day out.
We'll get some burgers.
Yeah, we might go get some burgers. Alright, so our second spot check was a fail. There was no waves at all. So we're gonna get some lunch. We're stopping at Kaneke's Grill. Great deal. Awesome food. Alright, so 2 burgers and a large fries for $9.
So worth it.
It is ridiculous.
So good.
So if you're ever on the east side of Oahu,
Derek, if she comes
check
over
out
here.
Kaneke's Grill. Alright, well that was delicious. Josh, where are we going now?
Makapu.
Alright, we're going to Makapu next. This is basically what we do on a weekly basis, drive around the entire island. Yeah, that's all we do. Look for waves, all the time.
Oh, you know it's fucking cranking when there's short break.
Yeah, it's, no, we're just gonna go somewhere else. Alright, this is our last resort. Oh no, oh they are, they're snorkeling like right out here, right where the wave's supposed to be breaking. Alright, well, that was our last resort. At least we scored a little bit of waves up north. I'm probably gonna continue this video either later today when I go do something, or tomorrow or Sunday, one of the days. So see you guys later.